Hello, my name is Shurjo and today I will show you how you can make an object fade out as the camera goes closer to it. So the result will be something like this. Wait for it to load. Right, P. Something like this. I will cover two types of transparencies, like one like this, the basic one, and the anti-aliasing mode. So yeah, let's get started, shall we? So first make a new project and select the default cube, and by the way I am using ranging 1.5. It's the same as UPBGE or just BGE. So first go to the node editor and select the material, cube material, and use nodes. Now go to the shader and select the cube shader. Now we will need the camera data input. We will need the view distance input. So let's plug this into the alpha socket. So as you can see, there is nothing changed in here. So we have to turn on the transparency. Now we should see something. Yeah, you can see that. Now let's say we want to customize this distance. So we need this math converter. Connect this here and press divide, and you can change this value for the the fall off, to change the fall off or offset, I think. So let's turn this into 4. As you can see, it fades more quicker than before. So let's say we want to customize this further. So we will need color ramp. Now if we push this closer, so you can see this effect. It's a kind of glitchy in this viewport, but if we play it, it should be fine, as you can see this. Alright. So let's say we want to invert this effect. So just put the white slider into the left and the black slider into the right. As you can see, it fades out when I am further from it and fades in when I'm closer to it. Let's try it in action. As you can see, the effect is working properly. So by the way, I sometimes see some glitches in this node. So just duplicate this here and just divide this by 1. That means nothing, but just clamp this. Okay, it will fix the problem if you see it. And it's almost it, but let's say we want a different effect. Say we don't want this to be so smooth. Let's say we want it the other way. Let me show you. Go to alpha blend and set this to alpha anti-aliasing. As you can see, something has changed. You cannot see this in the viewport, but if you play it, you will see it. Let's see. Here you can see this effect. I like this effect though. And by the way, if you don't want the shadow, you can just turn it off in here. See? So yeah, this is it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again next time later. Bye.